This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. The lesson I'm on is Binary Images with Artist, and I'm doing Puzzle 6 of that lesson. Each binary string below, remember string is just a set of characters like zeros and ones, represents one row of this picture. Can you rearrange them so that it draws a smiley face instead of a frown? It draws a frown? Let's see. Oh no. Definitely does. Okay, so I think we'll have to move the mouth down 2 lines. And keep in mind, a 0 means off or false for a computer, and a 1 means on or true. So the light's only on if it's a 1. So this, 1, 1, 1, and 2 zeros, must be this, because this is on. Yep. So we need to move it down a line and then 2 lines. And that means we would need to move this up, I think, because we want this line. Let's just make sure the far side should be on, and then everything else is off. On, 1, on, and 0 means off. Perfect. And then let's move this here, which is off, and then on, off. So 0, 0, 4, 1, 0, 0. And that is what that's. Let's try this. Ta-da! Great. Onward.